Hello, today we're going to talk about using the Pythagorean theorem to identify whether a set of numbers represents a right triangle. So remember, there are all kinds of different types of triangles, but we're going to use the Pythagorean theorem to identify if a triangle is a right triangle, meaning it has a 90-degree angle, with only given the side lengths. So, for example, in number 1, they gave us the side lengths 5, 6, and 7. So we're going to label them A, B, and C. Okay, now it does not matter which one is your A and B as long as the largest value is your C value. Okay, then once you label A, B, and C, we're going to use our Pythagorean theorem, A squared plus B squared equals C squared. We're going to substitute in our numbers. So instead of an A, I'm going to write a 5. Instead of a B, I'm going to write a 6. And then instead of a C, I'm going to write a 7. From there, we are going to go ahead and simplify the exponents. So remember, 5 to the power of 2, or 5 squared, is the same thing as 5 times itself. 5 times 5 is 25. 6 squared, 6 times 6 is 36. 7 squared, 7 times 7 is 49. Okay. From there, we're going to simplify even further by adding 25 plus 36 gives us 61. All right, we've now simplified both sides of our equal sign as far as it will go. Notice we get ourselves a statement that is not true. 61 is not equal to 49. So because this is not true, I'm going to put a little slash there to say 61 not equal to 49. And our answer here is no, this does not represent a right triangle. Let's look at number 2. Number 2 gives us the numbers 7, 24, and 25. Okay, our largest number is always our C value, so I'm going to write a C under 25. And then it does not matter if I put 7 as B or 24 as B. Like, I can switch this. So I'm going to switch them to show you I can do that. And not always just write A, B, and C in order, because they might not give it to you in order every time. Okay, so I am going to then substitute in my values to my equation. I've got my A squared plus B squared equals C squared for my formula. I labeled 24 as A, so I'm going to put 24 squared. I labeled 7 as B, so I'm going to write 7 squared. And my C equals 25, so I'm going to write 25 squared. After I substituted my values, my next step is to simplify those exponents. 24 times 24 is 576. 7 times 7 is 49. And 25 times 25 is 625. My last step is going to simplify, is going to add together my 576 plus my 49, and that's going to give me 625. Oops, I wrote the wrong number up here. 25 times 25 is 625. Apologize. All right, so then when I add those together, I get 625, which is the same as what it is on the other side. And whenever you get a true statement after plugging numbers into the Pythagorean theorem, that means that yes, it is a right triangle. Go ahead and do the rest of the problems.